Greetings you all in the beautiful name of the Lord Jesus Christ. I created this channel to you all who are willing to play keyboard and for the beginners. On this channel, I will be specializing with the key of G sharp, which is also known as A flat. So guys, subscribe and comment and like. Thank you guys. Let's go to play Uyakhazimula.